Now this one seems to be a common problem with this type of connection. This plug here, so you've got the power supply on this one and the control. These go off to the gas valve. Well, the problem is, on this one, these two that sit on the gas valve, they start opening up and fall off, and the connections in here don't make. So every time you turn the fridge on, all you get is a flashing light and no ignition, no gas valve. So luckily this is a spare part, so a whole new burner control loom on this one. And if I just turn it on, you can hear it ticking away and the gas valve's opened. So one more repair to do on this fridge and she can go back. Right, here's a repair I haven't done in years, but when that sits on there, this is your temperature control, and this bit goes in there, and then that bit turns around, but as you can see it's snapped off. So we've got to get this bit out and get the new one in. I'll show you. So you can see this is the old one, that's the new one, slightly harder plastic. So this little bit here on the end is what we've got to try and get out. So the actual repair is you warm up a needle, put it into it, let it cool down, it should all just pull out. Should we see if it pulls out on camera? Where are we? There. Yes, got it. So as you can see, normally if you turn it on and it just flashes, then there's a problem with that connection. And hopefully, this is the yellow one all in. You can actually feel it turning up and down there. So, fridge is back in while it was out. Clean the burner. Just be honest, there's no point while it's out, you might as well do it. All back in, all connected. Let's see. There you go, stop ticking, light solid, good to go. Let's get it all screwed in, vents on, do the gas checks, sorted.